Aerial off the lip is all about timing. When you go down the wave face, keep close to the wave. It is crucial to keep the speed up, so sheet in gently and keep a constant rail pressure. Look forward and aim for the braking section of the wave. Just before you hit the lip, redirect the board towards the beach by applying heel pressure. Turn your head and look towards the beach. This will assist you in getting out in front of the wave. When you're airborne, keep a compact body position by pulling up your back leg. Aim to land just in front of the white water with a nice smooth tail landing.